Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today in this video I am going to show you how to write amount in words. Suppose I have a list of items like this: serial number, items, price, quantity, amount, and this is total amount, then GST, then grand total. And here I would like to write the grand total in words. How do I do that? Now, using VBA macro, one can easily write this. For example, I click this figure and then press Ctrl button and click also this particular area, so that both this one and this one are selected. Okay, leave the Ctrl button and now click this shape. Then a macro will run and let us see what happens. You see that it is written rupees 42,117 and paise 60 only. So here this figure is written in words. Again, I delete this one. There is a alternative method also. If you use a function program in the VBA code, then here I can write equal to, then AM, and you can see amount in word is written here. Then press the tab key, so it will be printed here, and then click this figure, this cell, and then press enter. You can close the bracket, or okay, even if you don't close it, it will be taken by default. Then enter. Then again you see that this is written in words. Now all this thing is done using VBA code, one subprogram and one program. So let us see what are the codes. So these are the codes which we have written. So I press enter here so that you can see it here like this. So maybe I can use the magnifier also to show you little bit. Yeah, something like this. So this is the code. It is quite a big one, and you can download it from the link given in the description of this video. Okay, it's quite big. So this is a subprogram. This is using that shape. If you click that ball shape, then the figure will be written in words. And this is using function where you can use equal to and write this amount in word. Then this will be, both the programs are same, only difference is that one is function, another is sub function. Okay, so both of them can be downloaded from the link given in the description. Okay, in one single file I have included both the codes, so you can download it. So that's it. So now we go back to our this thing. So the advantage of writing this function equal to this amount word is that if you change the total, for example, suppose I write another item here, say I write pencil here, and here I write 10, and here I write 1, then it is 30, then this, and you can see that this amount is automatically changed. Okay, 28 and paise 80 only. So if I use this one, it is automatically changed. But if I use this clicking business, then again I have to select and click it there. Then it will be printed. So, but with this method, the advantage is that if you want to print this figure anywhere you like, suppose I want to print it here. Okay, suppose I want to print it here. So what I'll do, I'll just click this one and then press Control button and then click this particular cell, leave the Control button and go back to that shape, click it, then you see that this particular figure has been printed here only. Okay, and if you want to print something side by side, for example all these numbers, if you want to print here, then pressing Control button is not required. You can simply select it like this and click this one, then you see all these numbers are printed here, rupees 20,000, rupees 7,500, rupees 10, everything is printed here. Similarly, suppose if you want to print something below, that means suppose I write something here, say, okay, I show it here. Suppose I write something here, say 5, 6, okay, not so big, maybe, okay, this one, and I want to print it here, then also I'll just simply select this, pull it down like this, no need to press Control button and click it, then you see this is printed. But if you want to print it this one somewhere else, then press the Control button and suppose I want to print it here, then click it so that both this one and this one are selected. Leave the Control button, then click it here, then you see it is printed here only. So these are the advantages of this click button. And advantage of this function button is that if you change something here, it will be automatically printed here. This number will be automatically printed. So hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching.